How to tag everyone in a WhatsApp group. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to tag everyone in a WhatsApp group. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Tagging everyone in a WhatsApp group is a useful way to grab the attention of all members. First of all, launch WhatsApp on your device. Now you have to simply launch the WhatsApp group from the chat section. And after that, you need to tap on the message bar. In the message box, type in add symbol. And here you will see a list of all group members. You can tap on each name from the list to tag them individually. You can start typing the name of a person after the add to find them quickly. And after that, you can simply compose your message once you are done with tagging all desired members. For example, hey, and once done, tap in the same button at bottom right corner. Tag members will receive a notification even if they have muted the group. Before that, you need to know the limitations as well that WhatsApp currently doesn't have a feature to automatically tag all members with a single command like add everyone. You must tag members individually. Only group admins can tag members if the group settings restrict messaging to admins. By following this step, you can effectively notify everyone in the group. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.